Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing token site which name is exceldaffy.com. So this is a staking and exchange and token site where you can buy their token and earn a huge profit in the future. So today we discuss how we can stake and how we can buy their token by connecting our MetaMask, and we also discuss in detail about their white paper, about their staking, about their feature, and about their roadmap and their social medias also. So I request you all to see my complete video and press the bell icon to and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every video first. So let's start. First of all, I give you a little introduction. What is the Excel Daffy? Excel Daffy is the future of finance, the next generation cryptocurrency to disrupt the existing traditional financial ecosystem. So here you can find out their contract address. So if you want to add their token, you need to copy their contract address and paste in your contract in your MetaMask or other thing. Then you will find out their token in your MetaMask. So you need to open your MetaMask first. So after opening the MetaMask, you need to expand view. Open the expand view when after some loading, when their expand level will open, then you need to click on the tap on the add token, and here you need to paste their address that we copied from their website homepage. Sorry. So this is their address that you need to paste in your MetaMask. After pasting this contract address in your MetaMask, you will find out other things related to this token and click on the next and click on the add token. Then this token will add it automatically to your MetaMask. So this is very simple way how we add their token in our MetaMask. So other thing is about you can buy XLD on PancakeSwap and other these sites, and their liquidity is added on these three sites, and their explorer link is listed on the BSC Scan and CoinGecko and one other site. So you can store, send and receive XLDAFI from these MetaMask, Binance Chain, Trust Wallet and XLPay. So this is a reliable and tamper-proof network. These are the feature of the XLDAFI. Number one is reliable, tamper-proof network and permissionlessness and deflationary and transparent accounting and powerful use cases. These are the feature of the XLDAFI. So after this we discuss about their tokenomics. Here you can see that their total initial supply is 111 million, and their for rewards and for loyalty they have 18.02%, which is equal to 20 million tokens, and for foundation they have 50 million tokens, and for team they have 9.91%, which is equal to 11 million token, and for liquidity they have 15 million token, and marketing and business, for marketing and development business they have 15 million tokens for marketing and developments. So this is their token distribution and their tokenomics. After this you can see their burn events. So no number of token holders is mentioned here. Circulating supply is also mentioned here. Token value is also mentioned here. You can see that this is the token supply, token value, which is equal to 16,850, and their staking amount is 11,008. This is complete their staking amount, and their liquidity is also mentioned, and you can also see that. So their total of these, all their total initial supply is mentioned here, which is equal to 41.8%. So after this you can also see the disclaimer. The initial supply for the XLDAFI is being used for the development of project and market making and community, which will eventually be burned slowly, phase by phase. So after this you can also see their token utilities. So this is governance. XLDAFI holders have right to vote for any development and the amendment of XLSwap. And for payment, book 2.3 million plus hotels and 400 plus flights with XLDAFI. XLD is the symbol of the XLDAFI and using XLDAFI. So this is you can earn a passive income from the XLDAFI. So stake XLD on XLSwap and get on off and highest return ever. So this is crypto for all. So download Excel Play wallet and claim Excel DeFi for free as incentives. So after this Excel DeFi use, you can see here their use cases built on Binance Smart Chain and decentralized exchange built for trust-led transactions using Binance Smart Chain, contracts with fast settlement, low transaction fee, and the democratic distribution powered by Excel Lab. Excel Swap brings you the best trading opportunities to find and maximize your yield. And Excel DeFi acts as the governance token of Excel Swap. And you can also see the benefits of Excel Swap. So you can earn attractive rewards. Staking, liquidity mining, and yield farming are the benefits of the Excel DeFi. Other benefits are you can earn up to 600% APY, and this is interconnectivity. It has interconnectivity and easy to use. Low gas. It has low gas fees, and it is secure and faster transaction, and no KYC. So after this, you can also see the Excel trip travel with crypto. Use Excel DeFi and other cryptocurrencies listed on exceltrip.com to book over 2.3 million hotels and 450 plus airlines around the world. So you can also book these things from your Excel DeFi wallet. So after this, we get the information about the Excel Pay wallet. So it is a DeFi Mail Simple. Excel Pay is a secure crypto wallet which can be used to receive, send, and hold all ERC20 and BEP20 tokens, including major cryptocurrencies. So it also has swap. You can buy their crypto and no lockup period and stable return, and become a part of the fostering DeFi community. After this, you can also see this information about the exchange. Trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. This is most secure and world fastest site for trading. So after this, you can also see their communities here. The total reach to 231,326. You can also find it on Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and LinkedIn. So end of my video, we discuss about their social medias. So first we discuss about their swap. So I will also give the link of this swap in my video description. You just need to go to my video description, and when you click on the link, you will find out this page. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet with their swap. So when you click on the connect, so you will find out these two options. You need to connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So I want to connect my MetaMask, so I click on the MetaMask here. So here you can see that my contract address is mentioned here. It means my Trust Wallet is connected with this swap. So if I want to swap, or if I want to purchase their XLD token with my BNB, so I need to write the amount of my BNB that I want to change with their XLD token. So if I want to change my 1 BNB with their token, so I will receive 1011.93 tokens in 1 BNB. So here you can see that I don't have any BNB in my account, in my MetaMask. So I am eligible to pay it from my MetaMask. So it is very necessary that you should have MetaMask you should have BNB in your wallet, so you will be able to purchase their tokens. So here you can see their total value locked and XDeFi struts, and you can also see how to swap, connect wallet, PK crypto, and swap. And you can also see their forms which are coming soon. And you can also see their frequently asked question. Frequently asked question are basically those questions which everyone should have in their mind if they want to purchase, or if they want to buy their tokens. So after this, we discuss about their white paper. So these are their white papers. I also give the link of their white paper in my video description. If you want to get information in detail about regarding their project, so you need to download their white paper. Here you will find out each and every answer of your question that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to get more information about the XLDeFi, so here you can find out the answer of why XLDeFi, so what are their benefits and their features. So you can also find all the things that are not mentioned in the home page. So these are the detail. This information is in detail. You can also find each and every information regarding their project on their white paper. So it is very easy to download, and when you download it, you will find out each and every solution of the problem that you have regarding their project. So after this we discuss about their social media. First of all, we discuss about their Twitter page. So if you want to invest or if you have interest to buy their token, so it is very necessary for you to follow their social medias, because by following this it will be easy for you to knowing the every solution of problem that you have regarding their project, and you will be updated by their every news and every update, because they give each and every information, each and every update regarding their project on their social media. So first thing you should to follow it and press the bell icon to see their every update first, to get the notification of their every update first. So here you can see that they joined in January 2021, and they have a 55.4k followers at the Twitter page. And here you can also check their pinned message on daily basis. Basically pinned message as the important message and important update regarding their project. So this is their social media. After this you can also follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and other things like their community Discord and LinkedIn. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.